Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Sir, myself, K. Prakash Babu. K. Prakash Babu. So, having almost 14 years of experience, 14 years of experience in Sir Java, in Java technologies. Okay, Sir, I am working as a technical trainer in DurgaSoft, technical trainer in DurgaSoft, and I am the Wipro certified trainer. Okay, Wipro certified trainer. Okay, sir, next and after that, so welcome to DurgaSoft. It is a completely online session, so welcome to DurgaSoft online training. Okay, and welcome to CoreJava, sir. Welcome to sir CoreJava course. So the title of this course is nothing but CoreJava. Sir, sir, I completed almost 19 batches, 19 batches in our DurgaSoft. This is a 20th batch. Sir, I want to add some new concepts into this existing batch. Okay, you can expect some new things from my side. Okay, especially for this batch. And in this CoreJava, the complete Java you are going to get. The complete Java you are going to get. Next and after that, sir, what is the duration of the course? The duration of the course is 2 months. We are going to start at April, right? Sir, April, May is sufficient. April, May sufficient. Maybe in the June first week or second week, we can wind up. Okay. The fees for this course is nothing but 5,000. So 5,000 rupees is nothing but so fees for this course. If anyone interested, you can join with this. Sir, what is the timings? 11:30 a.m. Okay, 11:30 a.m. is nothing but the timings. Every day, sir, Monday to Saturday, every day we will have the class from, okay, sir, 11:30 to 12:30. But max Saturdays we are going to give off, sir. Max Saturdays we will give off, but generally on Saturdays we will concentrate on multiple choice questions, programs like that. Okay, then sir, what is a pattern of our classes? We are going to cover first theory topics. First we are going to cover three topics and related, okay, related programming examples, because I need to show you everything practical. Okay, suppose if anyone is asking, sir, how to write a Java program, can we take more than one main method? Yes, it is possible. So like that, I won't wind up. I will take an example by taking multiple main methods. So how you can able to take different main methods in your program, I will run the code and I will execute all the possibilities. I will explain. Okay, so theory related programming examples, and sir, something like funny examples also we are going to cover. Okay, funny examples for your understanding purpose. Small examples, some topics needed these kind of things, so that easily you can able to remember. So I in especially, sir, method overriding concept is there. Method overriding concept is there, sir. Like a beautiful example, like sir, how these love marriages are happening, how these arranged marriages are happening, sir, what problems they are going to face. So with by taking a small funny example, so I will explain this method overriding concept, so that if anyone is asking what is mean by method overriding, you should be in a position to give the full-fledged content, sir. Okay, sir, don't tell these funny examples for the real-time examples, so in front of interviewer. Okay, just it is giving some kind of guidance to that, so you can remember that concept very easily in your mind. Okay, then sir, next some coding questions also will be there, sir. Some coding questions in the sense I am talking about programming. So almost in core Java you can expect 100 programs. We are going to solve these programs. So by using some hacker rank link, we have some hacker rank link is there we are going to solve these programs. Like if you take arrays, in arrays minimum 30 to 40 programs are there. If you take strings, in strings also 30 to 35 programs are there. Okay, numbers programs, looping programs, like this. In fundamentals, maximum 100 programmings we are going to cover. That is, we are concentrating on programming domain also. I'm trying to mention that. Then, sir, multiple choice questions. Okay, sir, multiple choice questions also will be there. Multiple choice questions also will be there. So 1 minute, please wait. Yeah, sorry. So multiple choice questions we are going to cover. Okay, sir, something like I will show the program. Okay, program questions, and I can say theory questions plus coding questions. Both will be there, sir. Okay, next and after that, sir, FAQs, frequently asked questions. I can say, sir, Java interview questions. Interview questions. Sir, I want to give answers. Only questions I am going to give. So you have to find out the answers in our running notes. Of course, everything will be there. So last 2 days or last day, we are going to discuss about more than 100 interview questions. This is nothing but what is our plan, sir. Okay, for every thing we are going to cover theory topics. So related to that, whatever programming example is there, I will take that. If any funny examples are required, I will demonstrate. And suppose if you are talking about for loop, around 10 programs will be there on for loop. That part also we are going to discuss, and even multiple choice questions, and then frequently asked interview questions. But anyway, more concentration should be on theory part, sir, because if you know theory, parallelly if you are doing the programs, easily you can able to remember that theory concepts. Strictly speaking, sir, I don't know anything about theory. So based on the programming, I am going to frame the theory. So that what will happen, sir, easily you can able to, sir, remember this both programming concept as well as theory concept. Okay, so majority of the people are going to feel Java means programming or Java means theory. No, sir, it is a combination of both programming and, sir, theory, sir. Very, very important. So majority of the problems are nowadays easily solved by using these coding questions. Okay, that's why, sir, more concentration should be there, and equal priorities should be given for both theory and programming. Okay, I won't hesitate you, I won't make you bore, sir. You can enjoy these classes like anything. Okay, this is about myself and our organization, and what is the course, so what is the duration, what is the fees, all these things, and what thing you are going to get. Sir, in addition to that, you are going to get running notes on daily basis, and recorded videos also on daily basis. Okay, but these recorded sessions are not downloadable. So just you have to view the recordings. Okay, so we are going to share these things by using Google Drive. That's why, sir, while registering, please provide only your Gmail details, Gmail ID. Okay, don't give any Yahoo or any other things. Okay, yeah, sir. Then, okay, fine, sir. What about your syllabus? What about your syllabus? Very, very interesting, sir. What about your syllabus, core Java? What things we are going to cover? Sir, I'm going to cover this core Java in total, sir, 10 parts. Okay, sir, part number 1. Sir, what is the first part? Sir, I'm going to give some introduction to programming. Introduction to programming. Okay, sir, why we need to go for programming? What things are required in the programming? Okay, sir, how I can able to write a program in C language? How I can able to write a program in Java? How you can able to write a program in C++? How I can able to write a program in Python? Like that, first I will give overview. Then, sir, what is the difference between C++ and Java? Or what is the difference between C and Java? What is the importance of Java? Why need to go for Java? All these things. So of course it is related to the theory, we will discuss in detail. Then, sir, Java fundamentals. We are going to cover Java fundamentals. I request everyone to please switch off your video mode. Okay, sir, Java fundamentals we are going to cover. So that means what? Suppose if I want to prepare any Java program, sir, what minimum concepts are required? Like you must know what are the keywords used in the Java. So what are the identifiers used in Java? If you want to write any identifier, what rules and regulations you have to frame? Okay, so what is mean by input statement? What is mean by output statements? So how you can able to read data from the user? How you can able to write data to the user? Like this n number of things, operators, so looping statements, everything we are going to cover as a part of this Java fundamentals. Next, sir, in the third part, sir, I'm going to concentrate on arrays and sir, programs on arrays, very very important, sir. So what is mean by array? There are some problems are there in variables. So like if I want to declare 10 variables, you can take integer a1, a2, a3, a4 and so on up to a10. Sir, I want to declare 100 variables, maybe somewhat complex, you can declare, but I want to hold 1000 integer values. Never recommended to go for normal variable, because confusion will be there. By mistake, if you are not using any one variable, the entire result is going to be impacted or not. Yes. Okay, that's why what we have to do, sir, you need to take one new concept, which is nothing but arrays, where you are using only one name to identify those 100 objects or 1000 objects or 1 crore objects. But all these objects, all these data must be of same type. So that is called as arrays concept. Under arrays, we have almost 11 to 12 subtopics are there, and you can expect 30 programs on that. Next part, sir, very very important, string handling. Okay, string handling in Java. Sir, when compared with more old programming languages, Java strings are very powerful, sir. Okay, like sir, maybe if you want to implement any string related program in C language, sir, maybe it requires some knowledge on strings, null character concept, how you can able to copy the content of one string to another string, how you can compare two strings, so how you can convert a string to array, array to string, or string to integer, integer to string, how you can able to work with binary strings, octal strings, like n number of tools are there. Okay, so and some strings are going to allow modifications, like mutable strings. Some strings are unable to do modifications, immutable strings. Thread safety means, sir, I have a resource is there, only one person is allowed to access that resource at a time. Like this, if you want, yes, it is possible. Sir, I want multiple persons to access that resource. Yes, it is possible. Like this, we have n number of tools are there. All these things we are going to cover as a part of string handling in Java. Okay, sir, in this also you can expect 30 to 35 programs. Sir, part 5. Okay, what is a part 5, sir? Which is very very important, object oriented principles. Maybe you have heard about this. So object oriented programming, this is very very important, sir. Object oriented programming, sir, where around some 40 to 50 topics are there. Every topic is just like a gunshot, sir. Okay, sir, what is mean by object, what is mean by class, what is mean by inheritance, what is mean by polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, packages, interfaces, like this n number of things are there, sir. All these things we are going to cover as a part of object oriented programming. As a part of object oriented programming, we are going to cover all these things, sir, which is very very useful in the real time coding, especially in the projects. We are going to use this object oriented programming, sir. Especially in the projects, we are going to use these oops principles. So next and after that, sir, part 6. Okay, part 6, sir. In sixth part, sir, how you can able to handle runtime errors, that is called as exception handling. How you can able to handle runtime errors, sir? If anything happens at the runtime, Who is responsible to detect that error? Because assume I prepared one beautiful project. I hand over that object to the client. Sir, client installed that project in their mission and they are trying to use that application. Sir, and suddenly some abnormal termination happened in the program. That means my program is not working properly. Maybe you have seen these type of situations. But in our Android applications, okay, or in our iOS applications, you can see if application is not responding, it will display a message. So this application is not responding. Do you really want to close that, or you need to wait for some time? If you put on wait, what will happen? It takes some time. All the queues are cleared, means then it will start executing. Still, if you are getting like this, then you can close the termination. So that thing you have to provide as a part of coding. So because if you are trying to calculate 4 by 2, it is displaying 2. If you are taking 4 by 0, immediately if the application closed, sir, what you are going to think? So always a confusion, right? What happened in the background? So it is always a question mark. That's why such type of errors are called as exceptions, sir. The things which occurs at runtime. Okay, sir, I want to travel from, sir, one place to another place. Okay, while going, some bike repair has happened. Okay, otherwise some puncture has been happened for bike. Sir, because of this runtime issue, I can't able to reach my destination. Is it a wanted program or unwanted? Unwantedly it is happen. So we can't expect these things. So for that, you know, in the four wheelers, all these things, they are going to keep one tire ahead. Okay, which is nothing but yeah, Koti Bukya, please.
Sorry, sorry.
Please be on mute. So something happened, means what will happen? Sir, in such cases, we are going to keep some tire ahead. Okay, called stepney. So we are going to use that. That means what? So if any situation occurs, how you are going to take your program to execution stage? So that is called as exception handling. Sir, if I am taking 4 by 0, you can put a pop-up message saying, so you should not divide a number with 0. If you are dividing a number with 0, abnormal termination is going to be happen. Don't do that. Like that, you can put a beautiful message on the screen. Then if user press OK, then you can close the program, or you can reset the program. Next time onwards, definitely that user won't give 0, sir. So it is a kind of giving alert message to the end user. Remember carefully. Sir, okay, fine. What about the next thing? Sir, very, very important, multi-threading. Multi-threading. Execution of more than one thread is always called as multi-threading. Executing more than one thread, multi-threading. Sir, which is very, very important in our application. To improve the performance, compulsory we have to go for multi-threading. Sir, I want to take a Java class and I want to have a cup of coffee. Okay, and I want to send some important message to my friend. Okay, I want to, sir, write my password in a file. Okay, like this I have 4 to 5 options are there. Sir, while class is going on, I can do these things parallelly, which is not going to disturb my class. Sir, assume I want to send a message called hello, I will be there in 10 minutes. Yes, by taking the class itself, you can put a message and keep your mobile ahead. Sir, I have a hot coffee is there. Sir, after completion of this, I can ask, do you have any doubts? Meanwhile, I can take 2 sips. Okay, sir, I want to write something on paper, password, maybe 1, 2, 3. Yes, take this password. Have you observed? These things are going to improve my performance or not? Yes. Maybe after completion of this class, if I want to do these activities, sir, again, time consuming process. Okay, multitasking is nothing but such type of environment. So execution of more than one task simultaneously is called as multitask. When it comes to the programming language, it is called as multi-threading. Next, sir, 8th part. Sir, there are some predefined APIs are there. APIs are there, like application programming interface. Already they have kept these files, sir. I mean, already they have kept these classes, like stack class is there. So queues class is there. Okay, so like we have n number of predefined classes, like regular expressions, regex is there. So math class is there. Okay, util class is there. date and time classes are there, all these things we have. Okay, reflection API is there. So all these predefined APIs, sir, around some 5 to 6 APIs are there, we are going to spend on this. Okay, predefined API, nothing is required to do, everything is already available, just the creation of object and executing. Okay, and sir, next topic which is very very important, sir, collection framework. Something like I can say it is nothing but data structures, or some people are going to use the word called collections in Java. Sir, collections, like what is mean by stack, what is mean by queue, so what is mean by linked list, hash table. Okay, sir, map, hash map, sorted set, navigable set, properties window, hash table, queue, last in first out queue, first in first out queue, priority queue, blocking queue, like this n number of data structures are there. All these data structures we are going to cover as a part of collection framework. It is also very easy, sir. Predefined classes will be there, just we have to create the object, we have to invoke the methods, so except that nothing will be there. Next, sir, next part 10, very very important part, sir, which is nothing but, sir, we are going to discuss about storage techniques, storage areas. Sir, you know very well, in our programming, suppose if you have written a program, okay, if you have written a program to find addition of two numbers, assume you prepared one program to find addition of two numbers. Sir, there are three ways are there. One, you can use a console to print the output. Second one, you can use a files concept. Third one, you can use a database concept. So console means what? On the output screen we are going to get, on the output screen, output will be so displayed on screen, sir. So you can able to view, sir. Once if you close that screen, is your output will be there? No, sir. So to make your output as a permanent, sir, not only output, both input and output, I can say input and output. Sir, here in this case, input and output, sir, will be written to a file. Like maybe assume something like output.txt file we are going to take. Okay, something like output.txt file I am going to take. Sir, where in the output.txt you can store input and output. Maybe assume addition of two numbers I have written. Sir, 10 plus 20, sir, is equal to 30. Like this it will be stored for various inputs, maybe 31, sir, 32, 30, 33. Okay, 34, 35, like that, or let it be take 30. Okay, sir, 31, 32, 31, like that. So here, sir, 10, 2, and let it be same thing, sir, 1, 1, like that we can take. So this is nothing but including time, date and time you can put, sir. So when the user is executing addition program application, sir, the user totally executed 6 times, that output is already there, even input is also there. For the user input 10 and 20, I got 30 as output. For the user input 11 and 20, the output is 31. Sir, maybe after 1 year or after 10 years also you can open this file and you can see on what date and time, what input you have given, what output you got. Sir, here the problem with these files is nothing but no query support. No query support. Sir, you can view, that's all. Maybe assume some 1,000 records are there. Sir, I want to get array addition of two numbers user performed. In that, sir, whenever the result is equal to 31. So at that situation, what inputs are given by the programmer, I want to check. Is it possible to write query, sir? No, you can't write query. Okay, for that we have to go for databases, sir. Here the input and the output, here the input and output, sir, will be written to database, nothing but a table. Okay, sir, something like MySQL or Oracle, anything you can take. Sir, here query support will be there, sir. Query support will be there. Sir, I will show you one small, assume addition table I have taken. In this, there will be 3 columns will be there in this table, sir. What is the first column? A. Second column, B. Third column, C. Sir, 10. Okay, 20, 30. So 11, 20, 31. Sir, 12, 20, 32. So 10, 20, 30, 11, 20, 31. Sir, 11, 20, 31 like this. You can ask, array, select A comma B values, sir, from addition table where, sir, result C is equal to 31. Now it will return, sir, which data, sir? It is going to return the entire table in this format. Okay, so result is equal to 31. This is not, this is not, this is not like this. Sir, we are filtering the data or not? Yes, easy. Performance by default is going to be improved like anything. So this is nothing but what we are going to cover. So hope you got very clarity about the syllabus what we are going to cover, sir. These are the 10 full-fledged topics we are going to discuss. At a top level, these are the topics, but internally n number of things will be there inside this. Okay, sir, I want to show you a small running notes also. Previous batch running notes I want to show, okay, for you people, so that you will get full-fledged clarity. This is nothing but my previous batch running notes, sir. Everything including point to point I will write, and I am going to highlight the errors also. So I will install various softwares which are required. Okay, and then, sir, a sample Java program. So every topic pin to pin, even I will copy paste the outputs also. So what errors we are getting, so why that error we are getting, how you can able to overcome that, sir, pin to pin we are going to cover here. How to read the data from file. Okay, everything. Command line arguments means what, sir? Pin to pin switch case. Okay, sir, something like have you observed here? Here you can see a sample example for overriding operation. 1 minute. I told, right, some marriage example I am going to take. So this is nothing but one of that example. Have you observed method overriding? Okay, sir, if child class is not satisfied with parent class implementation, child can provide its own implementation for parent class method. Sir, here I have given in the parent class marry method with some beautiful name Samantha is there. Child is not satisfied with this method, so child performed overriding operation. Then how the scenario will be? Okay, like that we are going to take some beautiful examples to cover that. Okay, so everything pin to pin regular expressions. Sir, here you can able to see some real-time coding applications also. Like I want to validate a mobile number, whether the given mobile number is valid or not. How you can able to check? Okay, sir, email id, whether Gmail id is valid or not, how you can able to check? So everything, sir. Okay, everything pin to pin we are going to cover. Okay, so this is nothing but sir, have you observed here linked list? What is mean by linked list? So how you can work with this? Iterators means what? Okay, everything we are going to cover. Okay, this is nothing but what running notes I am going to take, sir. Okay, yeah, please. Now if you people are having any queries, please let me know, so I will clarify all your doubts. Please come one by one. Okay, first let me clarify the doubts which came in the chat window. Please wait. Hello, sir, I am Amrita. Sorry to interrupt you. Is this will be an online class, duration of the course, and how to get registered? Sir, the fees is nothing but 5,000 rupees. It is a pure online class. 2 months duration will be there. Fees is 5,000. The classes are from Monday to Saturday. So you can do the payment. Okay, you can do the payment by contacting our admin team. Okay, I will give the number also, so you please contact to that admin team if you want to, if you are willing to attend these classes. Okay, Amrita. uh, Parna, hello sir, are you planning to include Java 8 features and practice too? Yeah, definitely. Java new features will be added, not only is specifically for Java 8, but the important Java new enhancements definitely I am going to cover for this batch especially. Sir, for this batch, 3 things you can expect, which is not there in my previous classes, like multiple choice questions, frequently asked interview questions, and then Java features, Java new features. All these things you can expect from my regular classes, sir. Okay, sir, contact number also I am giving. So 92 9246212143. So 9246212143. Please contact to this number. They will guide you. Okay. Yeah, I have shared in chat window also. Yeah, please. Running notes we are going to share via Google Drive. No worries. Single link will be there. No, not at all link also. It will be created a folder. So in that folder we will keep and we will give access for that folder for you. Now, sir, any doubts, sir? Anyway, we will start from tomorrow. If you are having any doubts, please let me know. Yeah, I have given permission for you to speak also. If you are having, you can unmute and you can ask.
Okay. How long can we access those notes? I mean, since you said it will not be downloadable from Google Drive.
Yeah, notes can be downloadable, madam. Notes is a downloadable only.
Okay.
But videos you can't download. Videos you can view up to 7 months.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah, running notes you can access in the format of text file. But once if the course is completed, I will convert that into PDF format and I will share you individually.
Hello, this is Koti. So for practice purpose, which software we need to install in the computer? So do you provide anything?
Yeah, that part we will discuss, sir. Definitely, I will take that session. Don't worry, because you can see here. So already we have some 1 minute, sir. Please be on mute. Yeah. So here already some installation has been prepared. So we have that particular software, sir. Just I am going to explain how you can able to install all these things. So here you can able to see. Wait a minute. I'm sharing the sound also. Good afternoon, friends. In today's Eclipse, you have to click on download. Yeah, here clearly I explained how to download the required softwares. So how to install that softwares. Select this Eclipse, okay, and settings files, every you can select. So Java classes and key is there. Programs JSPs you program, because I detached the yes, like this, everything full-fledged examples with the installation. What are the softwares are required? Everything it will be shown, sir. Don't worry at all. Okay. Yeah. Any other doubts? Yeah, more than enough. Mahabub Basha. More than sufficient. But if you want to learn full-fledged Java, I mean complete front and back end tools, you have to go for full stack Java. Okay. So maybe I'm going to cover these things. I mean, after completion of this core Java, if we plan for UI technologies and advanced Java, so if you are willing, you can attend that, no problem at all. Okay. Yeah. So tomorrow at sharp 11:30 we will start the class, sir. Join 5 to 10 minutes before. Okay, don't delay. So exactly at 9:30 or 9:31 or 1 or 2 minutes, I will start the session. From tomorrow, the first class. Okay, introduction to the programming and sir, how to execute a simple Java program. What is the structure of the Java program? These two things I am going to cover. Introduction to the programming and what is Java program, how to create a Java program, how you can able to compile. So the internal parts of Java, okay, suppose if you take any person, sir, that person will have a head. What head is going to do? That person will have two hands. Sir, what those two hands are going to be do? Okay, sir, now like that everything, okay, how a person can dance, how a person can sing, how a person can do some task. So like everything we are going to cover. By today we need to complete registration to attend your classes from tomorrow. No need, sir, it is a demo session. So you can, if you are willing to attend, if you are willing to join, sir, confirm I need to join the class means, yes, you can do the payment. So if you want to wait for another 2 or 3 classes also, no problem. Sir, 3 to 4 classes demo will be there. Maybe you can expect up to Wednesday or Thursday. So once if you are satisfied with these 3 days or 4 days class, then you can join. Amrita, because you need to validate, right, whether you are getting the concept and SAR is using proper tools to explain these things, and whether we are following the Java by the SAR or not. Everything we have to identify. Based on that, you have to take the decision. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow, maximum by tomorrow, you will get a confident. If not, another 2 days, more than sufficient. Okay. Yeah, sir, thank you guys. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Tomorrow exactly at 11:30, 5 minutes before you have to join. Max, I will start by 11:30. Okay. Yeah, thank you, friends. Yeah, same link. Link is not going to be changed. Same link. Okay. Yeah, thank you, sir. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Thank you so much.